Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, let's explore the enchanting city of Venice, Italy. Known as the Floating City, Venice captivates visitors with its intricate network of canals. There are no roads, only canals and waterways that serve as the main transportation routes. Step aboard a traditional gondola and let the gondolier guide you through the narrow water passages as you admire the magnificent palaces and historic landmarks. Stroll through the iconic St. Mark's Square, where the grandeur of St. Mark's Basilica and the towering Campanile create a mesmerizing backdrop. And don't miss the Rialto Bridge, offering breathtaking views of the bustling Grand Canal. Of course, a visit to Venice wouldn't be complete without savoring the mouth-watering Venetian cuisine. Indulge in traditional dishes like seafood risotto, fresh pasta, and delectable cicchetti, while enjoying the serene ambiance of canal-side cafes and charming trattorias. Venice, a city of timeless beauty, where water replaces streets and gondolas glide through history. Join us on our next adventure and don't forget to like and subscribe.